part is though, the diminished chord, it's the same chord and the roots are whichever note.
Whichever.
If you look at the pattern, that for all the diminished, whatever the string it is, that's gonna have the same.
Any of them can be the root. Now that's great as a compositional tool as well because it's a good way to change keys. Oh, this is F diminished. Well, let's just say it's D diminished, and then we can go to an E flat minor chord, and suddenly we're in a new key.
Chris, a quick question on what you just talked about.
Yeah.
Those altered notes, you would really have to be intentional about those altered notes with the rest of your combo, right? Otherwise, you could step on each other. And how do you?
I have to be intentional. During the melody, we talked about how you got to be careful with alterations. Autumn Leaves is a great example because what key are we doing this in? And then it goes. That's the last melody going to G minor, which is a melodic minor. I'm playing a D7 chord, and the melody notes are D, E, F sharp. So if I'm playing an E flat 9, that's going to clash with that melody. So during the melody, I don't alter that dominant chord. I might play a natural 9 on it. But when I'm soloing, I always alter. And no, I don't have to agree with. He might not. I mean, if I'm playing with a hip jazz musician, I know that they're going to alter that. And if they play a sharp 5 and I play a sharp 9, they go well together. If I'm playing with someone who doesn't know their altered scales and is only going to play Mixolydian, or is only going to play in the key of B flat major for this whole G minor tune, then I'm going to probably go easy on my altered notes because they're going to be playing diatonic notes, and I want to support that. So it depends, but really, if I'm playing with pros, I know they're going to alter the scale. And it's really more, I don't have an ear where sometimes I'll grab a sharp 11 because I've heard it a million times, so I know that someone is playing. But you almost don't want to just imitate someone when you hear them play something. You just, oh, okay, he's getting crunchy. Okay, I'll get crunchy. We might not crunch in the same way, but we're creating tension, which feels so good when it releases. Every morning I bang my head against the wall because it feels so good when I stop.